Hey, this is Sean with DriveThru DriveBy. Well, today we went by Zaxby's for the first time for a DriveThru DriveBy. We got the Kickin chicken sandwich, but we got them to add their hottest sauce, the insane sauce, to it. So should be a little warm. Let's see what we got. That's a little bit warm right there. It's their chicken fingers. Ouch. 1 second. It's their chicken fingers with the insane sauce, a little bit of blue cheese or ranch. I can't tell. It's pretty warm. Comes with the fries and a drink for $6. If you like warm stuff, that's pretty warm. I'd give it about a solid 8. It's a good chicken sandwich, especially if you like hot stuff. I'm going to try and finish it. See you guys next time. Take care. Tell them DriveThru DriveBy sent you. Try you an insane one. Take care. See you next time.